Karibu, welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making coconut chicken curry with ugali, a delightful Swahili dish. To start, cut 500 grams of chicken into bite-sized pieces. Next, finely chop a large onion and sauté it until golden brown in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the chicken, letting it brown on all sides. Now it's time for the spices. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and a mix of spices. 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, coriander and paprika. Toss in 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until they release their juices. Now pour in 1 cup of coconut milk, season with salt and pepper, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. While it simmers, make ugali. Boil 4 cups of water, add a pinch of salt and gradually whisk in 2 cups of maize flour until thickened. Garnish the coconut chicken curry with fresh coriander leaves and serve it over a bed of ugali. Enjoy your Swahili feast. Asante sana for joining us. Subscribe for more delicious recipes. Kwaheri, goodbye.